Let's get into the variables and different kinds of things that you could do with the strings. So if you want to write multiple strings, let's say multiple sentences, then what you could basically do in Python is you could just give, let's say, introduce your variable and write triple inverted comma or single inverted comma. So, and from that you could basically do is like whatever you want. Let's say like give breaks in your paragraphs, give, do any kinds of things in this. So what is your name? What is your name? How are you? How old are you? So yeah, what is your name? How old are you? How are you? How old are you? So it would basically print this thing. So instead of this, if I only write one inverted comma, then it would basically be an error. So yeah, so it's a syntax error, unterminated string literal. So it basically says is like we need to write other two inverted commas in order to write multiple lines of string. So this is what exactly it says. So similarly you could do castings in your datas. In your data, you can basically specify data type to variable using casting. So this x equals to 1. So this is an integer, alright? So let me define its type. It would say it is an integer, right? It is an integer. But what I could do is basically convert it into the string by just introducing a string in front of the integer. And now if I run it, it would basically say it is an integer. It is a string. I'm sorry. So it is a string. This is what exactly casting is about. So if I say float, it will convert into the float. Yeah, basically it will convert into the float. So now if I print x, it would give some decimal values like that 0.0000 into the this x value. So something, yeah, 1.0. So this is a float. So this is what exactly casting is in Python programming language. So yeah, you can, like, sometimes you could do overwritings of variables. So if you name b equals to 5 and b equals to Python, now b variable now sets to new value in Python and no longer storing the previous value, because what Python does is it reads value from top to bottom and it sets its value from beginning to the end. So initially the value of b is 5 right here. We could basically see the value is 5, right? Similarly, in the next line, what it is done is like it is assigned b equals to Python, and now when we print b, it will print Python. So let me demonstrate this same example right here. So instead of b, we would do x. X equals to Python, and if I print x, it would show us Python. So yeah, this is what exactly overwriting in Python is.